After the Delhi debacle, is the Punjab government of the Aam Aadmi Party also feeling threatened? That's the big political rumor that has been doing the rounds ever since Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, called all his Punjab MLAs to Delhi, ostensibly to thank them and to thank Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, for the role that he and his Punjab MLAs played in campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. That's what the AAP's official version is as to why these Punjab MLAs have been called to Kapurthala House in Delhi. But the move has set off intense speculation in the political circles, not just of Punjab but also of Delhi. At least one political leader from the Congress party, Mr. Pratap Bajwa, has come on record to say that he feels Bhagwant Mann's days are numbered. Arvind Kejriwal is preparing the ground to unseat Mann from the Chief Minister's chair in Punjab. It's a chair that Kejriwal wants for himself, as per Mr. Bajwa. He also said that Bhagwant Mann is in touch with the Bharatiya Janata Party via Ravneet Bittu, and he could do Eknath Shinde on Arvind Kejriwal. The reference there being that Eknath Shinde split the Shiv Sena, made it difficult for Uddhav Thackeray to continue in power and join hands with BJP and became the chief minister. So what Mr. Bajwa is saying is that Bhagwant Mann too, if he feels threatened, if he feels that Arvind Kejriwal could take away his CM's chair, could split the Aam Aadmi Party and join hands with the BJP in his effort to continue as the chief minister. Of course, AAP has rejected all these claims. They're in a comfortable majority in Punjab. But the Congress feels that the Delhi results, even though Congress drew a blank, they feel that now the time is set for the Congress to regain lost ground in Punjab, and all this uncertainty around Aam Aadmi Party is only going to help them. The BJP too is not too far behind. They too have been speculating as to what Arvind Kejriwal's next move would be. Of course, he's no longer a chief minister. He's no longer an MLA. So he does not have any position here in Delhi. But he's the single largest vote catcher, the big face of the Aam Aadmi Party. So to keep the party afloat, to make Aam Aadmi Party survive this current crisis here in Delhi, will Kejriwal then move towards Punjab, is what is being speculated. Now, 2-3 things are here. Kejriwal's own background. Bhagwant Mann is a Sikh chief minister of Punjab. So will a non-Sikh, a Bania from Haryana, will he find it easy to take over the chief minister's chair in Punjab? Will that not be seen as a betrayal by the people who voted with Bhagwant Mann's face and looking at a Sikh chief minister? So that's another question that is being asked. Plus, what role does Aam Aadmi Party really see for itself here in Delhi? Is it all right for Arvind Kejriwal to be in the opposition's role, constructive opposition here in the national capital? Does he want to go back to the drawing board to help Aam Aadmi Party come back? And it has ambitions in Gujarat, it has ambitions in Goa as well. It wants to see itself as a national party. But of course, Delhi is at the heart of Aam Aadmi Party's politics. It's where the party was born. It is where it has always been on the ruling side. So big question, existential question for the Aam Aadmi Party, not just in the national capital, but also in the northern neighborhood of Punjab.